I do my first ever shop. I can't believe it. Oh, there's a people there who wants to buy in our shop, I guess. Hi, can I buy something? Yes, sure. What do you want? Let me check first. Okay then. I'll be back if you should call me. Okay. Ew. Some twirly twist. I would like the blueberry, maybe the watermelon. I would love the watermelon. I think that's all I want. Oh yes, and there's free soft serves called ice cream. And the flavor is only vanilla, okay? Okay. Where's the glass? Oh, there it is. I would like some soft-served ice cream. Oh, okay. Let me see if this works. Yes, okay. Get your glass. Of this. Here we go, ma'am. Are you done ordering? No, I'm not. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, thank you. Sorry about that, ma'am. It's okay. Would you like a bag? Yes, sure. Okay. Now, you can go pay here later. Okay, I'll just stand back here. Okay. Thank you. Oh yes, and how much is it? For $55. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Now you can go now. Thank you. Yoo-hoo! First customer, right on time. After 4 more customers. Hello. Oh, the mayor of the city. Oh, yes. Yes. Sorry about the sounds. It's okay. I would like to buy 1 cookie. This cookie. Yes, that will be $40. Yes, of course. Here you go. Okay, let me pack in the bag for you. Thank you.